Okay, today I would like to show you what will happen if you use this type of flour. So Neapolitan style pizza flour. If you use it for your bread, so what will happen? So you'll see, like, the dough is very nice and it goes off the bowl really easily. So I really like that effect that this flour does. So this is also non-GMO flour, so I think you will really enjoy working with it. It creates really clean feeling when you work with your dough, so it doesn't stick. It's really nice flour for the bread. You see, so it goes right away from the bowl, so I do recommend it.